What's up, everybody? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. We're working on a 19 Ford F-150. It's a work truck. The customer was driving through a field. He hit something with his spring here, bent the spring support down, and it said it started bouncing all over the place. So he went and got a used one, brought it to me, and we are going to put it on. So you guessed it, we're putting on some leaf springs on an F-150. Let's get into it. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead, because I got to move the exhaust out of the way, because I'm going to squirt everything down with some lube, kind of loosen everything up a little bit. This has been my favorite stuff so far. It's a big, what the hell is it? It's called Big Shot. It's called Blaster. This has been the stuff that's been, it's been my go-to for a while now. It's 10 times better than WD-40.
Why?
There is one more muffler support right over here. Not sure if you can see it or not where it is, but it's right here. And I'm kind of hoping I can leave that one alone and unbolt it from right here and just kind of move it that way a little bit. But the reason why we have to move it is the nut's on this side. The nut right here is on this side. The bolt is going to come out this way and it's going to run into this, so we need to get it out of the way. These are held on with a 13. The hangers are held on with 8s. Damn, I'm gonna knock myself in the head. No. Just kind of let it rest out of the way and that should be good. As long as no one comes over here and fucks with it, we'll be all right. Next thing I'll do is get my transmission jack and we'll stick it under the rear end, just for some support. So when we take that when we take that leaf spring out, this rear end don't come tumbling down on you. That would ruin your day, wouldn't it? You see me call my wife now. Hey, I dropped the rear end on my ass. Once you got that supported, we'll have to give me another roll cart. It's starting to come apart. All right, after we got it supported, we take off this front bolt first. It is 15/16. Hold on a second. I lied. Pick up the wrong one. I literally just had it on there. What did I do with it? I just had the socket for that. Just had it in my hand. All right, so I'm a liar. It's 1 1/16 on the nut side and a 15/16 on the bolt side. I'm gonna leave the back side on just a little bit. This way it doesn't come flopping down on me. All right, we're doing the back one. This one's a 15/16, and the nut side and the bolt side is a 21. I'm hoping I can get it out without having to move that spare tire. Fire. Once I get to this point, I'll get a punch and we'll knock them bolts out the rest of the way. Boom. And 2. Can you believe my roll car's taking a dump on me? It was my Amazon special. $29.95. Got about 3 years out of it. Can't argue with that, can I? These bolts are 21. Probably gonna need a little help getting that spring off. Not feeling it today. Boom. I'm gonna move you guys safely out of the way. I don't want nobody to get hurt. So this is a good time to get a friend to help. If you got a friend. I don't got many friends. Danny's a good boy to work with, but he's deaf and he can't, he can't talk, can't hear. So let's put the new one in. Yeah. So he has to read lips. And sometimes it's, it's a little bit, you just gotta be super careful when you're working with somebody like that. But I tell you what, the boys are strong as an ox.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you? Well, and mine.
Oh, and talk to my
The cell for hyperburn.
here. Oh,
That's because I think that's for the other side. So we just gotta switch the bolt. All right. All right. Let's take it down. I don't know what I got. What happened is they sent this for the left side. We need a right side, so we're just gonna flip this bolt around. Hey, watch your head.
all right.
Okay.
Oh, you have a seat.
This is.
You know,
Let's leave it loose. A little bit loose.
two pieces.
Yeah.
I know.
Let's go. Are we ready now?
Yeah. That is it.
Where? Inside. Very good work. Hey. Good.
You lift weights?
Abu.
Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Get it, baby.
Pig up. That hurt.
Just go. You look at the sun. That thing.
Yeah. Ah.
Four out. No, but
You good, you good. Go that way a little bit. Yeah. Just like that right there. All right.
like that.
One. Okay, I'm gonna go up with the jack. Jack.
I was like, watch that. Wow. Fast. I thought that. Back up. Whip off.
Gotta go back this way.
Good.
Hold
Put that in.
Hold on. Whoa. Right there.
Mother.
Big one.
Cover.
Yeah, big.
Mother. Well.
That way.
Okay.
Out, watch your head. I catch myself talking to him like he can hear me. What do you think?
Oh. I agree.
I can see right here. Yeah, pry bar, and we gotta.
Oh, I was gonna. God.
This side's off. Yeah. Jack.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Jack up. Yes, up. Oh,
No.
is that one in?
Good.
Okay. Thank you. Make sure when you're putting this together, on the top side, the U-bolts, there is a little brace that you need to go in. Kind of like a little U-pocket that sets in, holds it in place. Make sure you get them in there. So, for those of you who watch one of my last videos, me rant about how pulling the GoPro done me wrong, I went in my attic and pulled out an old Canon camcorder, and that's what we're doing it on now. Let me know, you guys who watch my channel on a regular basis, if you can tell a difference in just the quality, that's all. she's not going nowhere. Whoa, that's not right. Last thing to do is put the exhaust up, and this job is done. What I'm gonna do first is hand tighten these brackets, just kind of like get them a little bit in there, but make sure there's enough to where they can wiggle around a little bit, so I have some play up front. Now when you're putting this exhaust on here, it's a factory flange, so make sure that it seats in there all the way. It's a good habit to do just a little bit on each side so you don't go too far on one side. You guys keep my cousin in your prayers. They found some lumps on her breast, and she had to go in for some biopsy, and they're 95% sure it's going to be cancer. I've already had a family member, my niece, who battled with cancer. I'm not looking forward for another one. She's actually my age. She's a real good friend. We actually go out to dinner with them every single week. We're really, really close.
There.
All right, let's get these hanger bolts tight. And just like that, this job is done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Please keep my family in your prayers. Catch you later.